Hey everybody, it's opening day of turkey season here in Mississippi. It's been kind of a rain out. We got to hunt a little bit this morning. Didn't do that great, so while it's raining, we're gonna cook us some shrimp. Connor's gonna help us light the cooker. All right, it's on. Look about center. You good? One more? Now? Alright, we got our onions and our garlic in. We're gonna bring it to a boil. Alright, we got it boiling. Here's what we got. We got a 5-pound large shrimp, potatoes, mushrooms, got some sausage put in it, and we got some corn in the freezer. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna get our sausage cut up while we're waiting on everything to boil. All righty, we're gonna let everything come to a boil and we'll throw that in a little bit. All right, we're to a rolling boil, so I'm gonna lift it up. Connor's gonna throw our potatoes in there. I'm gonna add some seasoning. I like Louisiana seasoning. This is crawfish and shrimp and crab boil. We're going to add a little bit of Louisiana liquid. We're going to let the potatoes boil for a while. When they start getting soft, we'll add our mushrooms, our sausage, and let that cook for just a minute. Then we'll put our shrimp in there. We'll let it boil for a minute. Cut everything off, let it start soaking, and we're ready to eat. All right, our potatoes are getting close to getting done, so we can go ahead and add our mushroom. And our sausage. All right, our potatoes are ready. We've had our mushrooms and our sausage in there for a little bit, so we'll add our shrimp. All right, we're gonna let that come back to a boil for about 1 minute. And then we're gonna cut them off and let them sit. All right, guys, we got it back to a rolling boil. Water's moving pretty good. We're gonna time it 1 minute. We're gonna kill the fire. We're gonna let it sit for 15, 20 minutes, maybe 25. We'll probably add a little bit of ice in there. When everything starts cooling down, it sucks all that seasoning into your shrimp, and that's when everything starts tasting good. All right, it's been 1 minute. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna set a timer. We're gonna let these sit and soak. We're gonna put our corn in right now, which is frozen still. All right, we've let them soak for about 25 minutes. We're fixing to pull them out, spread them out on the table, and we're fixing to start peeling and eating. We put some ice in there so it's cooled everything down, sucked everything together. All right, guys, that's our little shrimp boil for tonight. Appreciate y'all watching.